This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303MB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nomad interior, sleeps 7, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, TV, skylight, stove top burner, air conditioning, oven, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303MB is 8,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.